from geekmamas.com, and we are going to unbox Bokksu, which is a Japanese snack, tea, and candy subscription box. And if you use code GeekMama, you get $20 off, which is a really good deal, and it's a pretty cool box. So we are going to open it up, and we're gonna try all the stuff inside. Now, Keelan, wait a second, Keelan. Are you a picky eater? Would you say you're a little picky? Picky, like you don't like a lot of stuff, do you? Yes, you are. Okay. All right. So I have you water. This is your water, okay? And I have you a napkin, so you can spit out anything you don't like. Okay? All right. But you have to try at least a bite of everything. Hold on. I gotta put my glasses on. And I made, hold on, let's start. I have a little pot of tea. Mommy has green tea. This is one of the things from the box. And I will admit that I already ate something from the box, which was a freeze-dried strawberry infused with white chocolate, and it was delicious, and I ate both of them. Yeah, I know, I got you. Okay, all right, well, let's show the box. Gonna show the box? Yeah, okay, this is Bokksu. Comes in a box. All right, and now let's open it up. I'm gonna open it up. And
wait, put it down.
Show the box. Show the box.
Put it down.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna try these one by one. I just want to show like how much stuff is in the box, and it comes with a book about everything in the box. Okay, and each box has a theme, and this theme is Seasons of Japan. All right, I'm gonna see if my tea, how my tea is. It's good. And Keelan's doing the demo of all the stuff. All right, let's see. Let's start with the, tells you all about the Seasons of Japan and what inspired the box and everything that is in there. Okay. All right, let's start out with the, I may not be good at some of these words, the Mokendango Mochi. All right, we're gonna try and find this one, Keelan. Look, it's got smiley faces on it.
I know
We're gonna try that one. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we got two of these. These are Mokendango Mochi.
I'll eat it.
All right, come over here. Sit down so I can see. What's it like? Does it taste like mochi? Okay, I'm gonna try a pink one.
I like it. I don't
That
want
is
to eat
good.
another one. I actually I do like it, but it's too squishy.
Okay, you like it, but it's too squishy. Okay, I actually
I'll
like
still
it.
eat it.
You'll still eat it. Okay, well, we'll set it off to the side then.
Okay.
I won't make a little garbage pile. Okay, wait. Next is stick potato super mucha plum.
Stick potato.
Stick potatoes. Okay. Stick potatoes. All right, we're gonna try stick potatoes.
I don't know what I feel like this.
Hold on. Okay, I'll try it this way. Ah!
I do it that way.
You do it. Okay. These are stick potatoes, an ode to the Japanese plum tree. Every bite of these thin, crispy potato sticks carries the floral notes of plum blossoms. Really? Okay, that's a pretty good review. Oh yeah, these are fun. Hold on, I'm still eating these. You're covered in sugar already or something. Okay. All right, those are delicious. Okay.
Panda. Next is the panda.
Okay, actually we already ate the pear thing too. So there are two more things. This box is packed with stuff, and there's actually two things that we're not showing. Okay, you want to eat the panda thing? Okay, I'll just
No, not the panda thing. I wanted to do the page, but I thought the next page was the panda thing.
The next page is Edamame Senbai or Senbi.
I found it.
Okay.
Edamame Senbai Senbi.
Okay.
Senbai Senbi.
Whoa! Edamame bits. Okay, can Mom open them, please? Okay. All right, you have to try it. Remember, that's the rules. Oh God, I'm not sure about that one. Ew. Ugh. No. Ooh, that's got a bad aftertaste. Okay, we're gonna sit that in the no pile.
No
Remember, you
pile
have water.
It's a no pile ticker. You like it?
Oh! That's why it tastes like seaweed.
Why?
You opened the seaweed tempura. That's why it tastes like seaweed. So that was seaweed sheets flavored with citrus and that make a crisp and tangy snack.
Gross.
Yeah, okay.
I like
Let's
it.
find the edamame.
Edamame.
This is the edamame.
I'll open it.
No, let me open it. Oh, okay.
See, drop one.
That one's weird. It's like you're not sure at first, but then it's kind of good. Yeah.
What's it?
Handmade yuzu sake candy.
This?
Right here.
Have we?
Okay.
I'm gonna take a bite first. There was only one. I'm gonna do one at a time.
Okay, this candy is handcrafted by artisans, exclusively for Bokksu. Okay, so the yuzu sake candy has 0.1% alcohol content. It says please consume responsibly. So just mom's gonna try this one. Okay, that's delicious. Doesn't taste like sake at all. But sake's delicious too.
Dance puppy, come on.
Dance puppy.
Dance puppy.
Okay, are you ready to try some more?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. You've got some water there. Okay, we did the sake candy. We missed one. The 20th Century Pear. This is a luxurious blend of Asian pear, rich cheese, and decadent white chocolate. All right. This one is Asian pear, white chocolate, and so you take a bite and you're dropping it all over the floor. Okay. Yes, no? Good? Oh, it's good. The white chocolate on the inside.
More.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. All right. We are still working our way through this box. And, okay. Oh, we have Dondonyaki.
What is
Named after the sound. Oh, this will help. I put the glasses on. No, that's not. Named after the sound of the beating drums heard throughout festivals in Japan. Fried, savory, fried and marinated, tangy, peppery, and a little sweet. Okay, I feel like. Okay, you gotta start letting me open these.
Dondonyaki.
Dondonyaki. Okay.
Dondonyaki. Hey, let me try.
Okay, your turn. I don't like that one. Get some water. Get some water. Watch your mouth out.
I like it.
You do?
Mhm.
You want me to save that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
That one is interesting. It almost tastes like barbecue. It tastes like barbecue chips.
And I like it.
And you like it.
You like it.
All right.
You like it.
All right.
Mommy, look
I
at
did
it.
not like that
Tigger, come back in the picture.
Okay, mini red bean crackers.
Mini red bean crackers?
Mini red bean crackers. Mini red bean crackers. Okay, take it.
Hey.
Okay, sir.
You like your explorer.
Here's a mini red bean cracker. Okay, ready? Next. Matcha cake. No, matcha chocolate stick cake.
Where
Okay,
is
that
it?
sounds good.
Where is it?
This one!
Cake.
Yeah, look, so it's
I want to try
green.
it first.
Got matcha.
I want to eat first.
Okay, Tigger, sit. Sit. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah.
I want to have a bite. You can be in the middle. Do you want to be? Mommy, Tigger's in the middle.
I don't.
There's a whole photo.
He wants to eat some. Next up, black sesame taiko Maman design. Okay. Oh, that's the panda cookie.
The panda.
Panda cookie.
I want to eat it.
Oh shit. And I go and do it. Okay. Ah! Okay, fine. You go ahead. You do it first. It's a sesame. It's a seedy drum. Handmade by roasting almonds and sesame seeds and mixing them by hand. Okay. Oh. Ew. All right. Or,
I need to wash my face off.
oh my goodness. Show your face.
No.
Okay, go wash it off. Okay, we didn't like that one. Keelan is trying the uni rice cracker. I just realized I wasn't recording for some of this. Okay.
It's good.
Good. That is interesting. Okay. Okay. All right, next up we got the Puku Puku Thai chocolate fish. And we've reached the bottom of the box. No, Tigger will eat the box, so we'll put it over there. So. All right,
Open it.
the Puku Puku chocolate fish. Puku Puku. Okay.
Can I?
Okay. Eat over the table because I'm pretty sure it's going to be all crunchy. Is there chocolate inside? That's fun. All right. I got stuff all over my teeth. Okay, we've reached the end of the box.
I'm gonna eat this again.
That was delicious.
It's gross.
Okay, hold on. We have to say bye again.
Bye.
So that was box 2, and you can get 1 box, or you can get a 3-month subscription, or 6 months, or a year. And if you use code GeekMama, you get $20 off your first box. And Keelan's running around to steal some of the candy. All right, thanks for joining us, guys. This one was definitely a good one. I think I may end up getting some of these for presents for people. They're pretty cool.